Are you tired of gazing directly to light bulbs? Do you know that there are several unique wooden lampshade design ideas you can consider using to diffuse lights and give your home a stylish decor? Wooden lamps and lampshades have become increasingly popular in recent years, blending functionality with artistry. These lamps offer not only illumination but also serve as unique pieces of decor that can enhance the aesthetic appeal of any space. When designing a wooden lamp, functionality is paramount. Considerations include the type of light source, LED, incandescent, etc., the height and size of the lamp, and the type of shade used. A well-designed lamp should provide adequate light while also fitting seamlessly into the space it occupies. Wooden lamps come in various styles, from rustic to modern. The natural grain, color, and texture of wood can complement a wide range of interior designs. Whether it's a sleek, minimalist lamp made from bamboo or a chunky, reclaimed wood design, the aesthetic versatility of wooden lamps is one of their greatest strengths. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of unique wooden lampshade design ideas to transform your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our channel to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The use of wood for lighting dates back to ancient civilizations. Early lamps were made from clay or stone, but as societies advanced, they began to incorporate wood for its availability and workability. Ancient Egyptians, for example, used wooden frames to support oil lamps, creating a more stable light source for their homes and temples. Throughout history, wooden lamps have evolved significantly. During the Middle Ages, wooden candle holders became commonplace, often intricately carved and designed to reflect the craftsmanship of the era. The Renaissance period saw a resurgence in the appreciation for woodwork, leading to ornate wooden lamps adorned with artistic motifs. The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point in lamp design. Mass production made lamps more accessible, but many designs lost their artisanal quality. However, the use of wood persisted, especially in the production of lamp bases and decorative elements. In recent decades, there has been a resurgence of interest in handcrafted wooden lamps. This revival is partly driven by a desire for sustainable living and a return to natural materials. Contemporary designers are blending traditional craftsmanship with modern aesthetics, creating unique pieces that resonate with today's consumers. One of the key advantages of wooden lamps is the ability to customize them. Many artisans and designers offer bespoke options, allowing customers to choose the type of wood, finish, and design elements. This personalization adds a unique touch and ensures that each lamp can reflect the owner's style and personality. The choice of wood significantly impacts the lamp's appearance and durability. Common types of wood used in lamp making include: 1. Oak. Known for its strength and durability, oak has a distinctive grain and is often used for traditional and rustic designs. 2. Maple. This hardwood is light in color with a fine, uniform grain, making it suitable for modern, minimalist lamps. 3. Walnut. Valued for its rich color and intricate grain patterns, walnut adds elegance and sophistication to any lamp. 4. Bamboo. A sustainable option, bamboo is lightweight, flexible, and lends a contemporary feel to lamp designs. Finishes play a crucial role in the final appearance and longevity of wooden lamps. Common finishes include: 1. Natural oils. Oils like linseed or tung oil enhance the wood's natural beauty while providing protection. 2. Varnishes. These create a durable, glossy finish that is resistant to scratches and moisture. 3. Stains. Applying stains can alter the wood's color, allowing for greater design flexibility. Many artisans still use traditional woodworking methods to create wooden lamps. Techniques such as hand carving, joinery, and turning can produce intricate designs that showcase the wood's natural beauty. These methods often result in one-of-a-kind pieces that carry the mark of the craftsman. Advancements in technology have also influenced lamp making. CNC or computer numerical control machines allow for precise cuts and intricate designs that would be difficult to achieve by hand. However, the human touch remains essential in the finishing processes, ensuring that each lamp has a unique character. With an increasing focus on sustainability, many woodworkers are sourcing materials from responsibly managed forests. Reclaimed wood is also gaining popularity, not only for its environmental benefits, but also for its unique history and character. The environmental impact of wooden lamps depends largely on the sourcing of materials. When sourced from sustainably managed forests, wooden lamps can be a more eco-friendly lighting option compared to plastic or metal alternatives. Many consumers are now prioritizing products that support sustainable practices. Wood is a natural material that is biodegradable, unlike many synthetic materials used in lamp production. This means that, at the end of their life cycle, wooden lamps can decompose without contributing to landfill waste. The type of light source used in wooden lamps also affects their environmental footprint. Integrating LED technology can significantly reduce energy consumption, making these lamps not only beautiful, but also energy efficient. Wooden lamps can serve as stunning accent pieces in any room. Their natural textures and colors can add warmth and depth to a space, enhancing the overall design. In living rooms, they can provide a focal point on a side table or console, while in bedrooms, they can create a cozy atmosphere on nightstands. From modern apartments to rustic cabins, wooden lamps can adapt to various interior styles. They can complement industrial designs with raw finishes or enhance the elegance of traditional decor with polished wood and intricate details. In interior design, layering light is crucial for creating ambience. Wooden lamps can contribute to this by providing soft, diffused light that adds to the overall lighting scheme. Using multiple sources of light, including wooden lamps, can create a welcoming and comfortable environment. In conclusion, wooden lamps are more than just functional lighting, they represent a blend of art, craftsmanship, and sustainability. Their rich history, diverse design possibilities, and environmental benefits make them a valuable addition to any space. As consumers increasingly seek out unique and sustainable home decor, the appeal of wooden lamps is likely to continue growing. Embracing the beauty and versatility of wood, these lamps illuminate our homes while also reflecting our values and aesthetics. Whether handcrafted or produced using modern techniques, wooden lamps illuminate not just our spaces, but also our appreciation for nature and craftsmanship. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked unique wooden lampshade design ideas to transform your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.